Hello YouTube, today I am showing you something new that I have received just today, and it's the DJI Mini 3 Pro RC Fly More Launch Combo. Geez, that is a mouthful. So what is different to a lot of these other Fly More combos is that we do have a few accessories here which I'll be showing you shortly. Now, what I haven't received yet, because it's on pre-order, is the Fly More combo portion of the kit. So that's the extra propellers, the 2 extra batteries, the charging dock. I think that's about it, really. So there's that stuff's all over YouTube, so I'm not going to get into that. What I'm going to show you is what's in here. Now, let's have a look at the goodies. That's a pretty cool little Ziploc type of bag. I guess the first thing, we'll try the biggest thing here, is a launch pad. Let's open it up. And there you go. So probably have all seen what that looks like before. There's some 3 pegs there and some reflective type of stickers. I have to see how to use these actually. I haven't come across those before, but there's a launch pad. You have a car charger as well, so it's a fast car charger, so that's pretty cool. And what you also get is a 128 gigabyte SD card, a Samsung one, so an Evo Plus, so that's very handy. You don't need to go into another store and try and grab what you need. Well, what I might need is another SD card though, so I can put one into the cool little RC remote. And last but not least is some screen protectors. I do believe there are 2 that come in this pack. No, it's attacking me. So you get all the cleaning wipes and some stickers so you can apply the screen on. And yes, we do have 2 screen protectors for the remote. Now this, I bought this in Australia because that's where I live, and this was the promo, which is $1,579. Which, as I said, you get the drone, the remotes, all these accessories here in front of you, plus the standard Fly More combo inclusions. And what you get as a standard sort of kit is the drone, this pretty cool looking remote. Can't wait to give this a try. And you've got the control sticks there, and accessory kit. So you'll have your extra props in here, some instructions that are just going to get straight into the recycling bin. Yes, I do recycle. Charging cable, there's no charging brick, and a screwdriver. So, oh well, we'll see how that goes. A lot of fun coming my way soon, so stay tuned. Take a look at my channel for any future videos. Bye.